It's 3 mm amethyst beads. Then we use the wire 1 mm. Let's show you how to make a very easy ring. Okay, here copper wire I use 1 mm, and the rubber wire I will going to use the 0.4. This is a big reel. Yeah, we have the big reel as well, so this one, the 2 sides we use. Okay, we are going to wrap it. You will find it's going to be a very easy one. Okay, let's going to make a size 9, so we fold it. Okay, here. Here. This way. Size, we make a size 9, but we bend at size 8. Okay, then here you will find that okay, the copper wire I just measured here. Put the wire at the middle here, then you will find this side 1 centimeter, and another side also 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter each side. Here 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter. Then let's use the plier to wrap it here. See, fold. Fold it, make it like a loop. Okay, and another side the same. Fold it like a loop. Okay, here the loop, I want to keep the 2 loop on the same line, so I will adjust it, cut a little bit here. This one, just the ring here is like this. Yeah, you think it's very easy. This is the most easy one, and we can put 2 pieces of the beads here. Let's use the 0.4. Okay, new start, you can start it from this simple design first. After you can make the simple design, then you start to try the other hard design. Simple design like the technique this, and like the ring this. Yeah, here 1, 2, here. Okay, attach here, wrapper, go through here, and wrapper. Here, 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 then you can see it's a size 9. Yeah, a very simple ring finish. Yeah, if you start, you can just try this way. This one 1 mm and 0.4. Yeah, and before the necklace we make is 0.6. Then I show you if you use the another size of the copper wire, 0.8. Yeah, different design can make the different ring. This one, if we are making another ring, I show you also a very simple design. Simple design, it means the tips that's to show you how to make it easy. Okay, cut the wire 12 inch. Cut the wire 12 inch. After shoot this wire wrapper ring, then we're going to making some chain jewelry. Is 0.5 size for necklace. Okay, if you have 0.5 mm wire at your home, yes, you can use it for making the necklace, no problem. Just don't use the beads too much thick. Too much big beads, Miss Lovey Bag. You can use the beads like 4 mm or smaller. Yeah, but not use the big size beads to match with 0.5. Because too much big size beads, if you use the 0.5, it will be not strong enough. Okay. Yeah. With 6 mm beads is just okay. Yeah, but no more big. Yeah, no more big. Cannot be 8. Yeah, if you are use the 8 mm beads, better to use the 0.6. Yeah, 0.5 for 6 mm beads almost okay, but no more big one. Big one then is not enough. Okay, so here the copper wire 0.8. Here I'm going to use the beads 4 mm. Yeah, 4 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm, all okay. Then string it on here. I keep it the beads at the middle of the copper wire. So 30 centimeter, 12 inch. The bead is at 6 inch. Beads at 6 inch. Okay, this is also a simple ring. Now, if you want to make it size 9, I will put it at size 9.5. One half size bigger. Then here you can see tight here, fold, and we are wrap it here. Cross 2 times. Okay, so it's repeat here. And this one, the part you are going to use your finger to pull the wire around the beads, cross it, and again this wire come to cross, this wire come to cross here, this way. Got it? Then you can move. It's like this way. The shape of the ring now is round and nice. Yeah, and now your finger must be attached on here. Okay, your finger must be attached on the bead part, and the wire here you use to wrap the band cannot be too much long. If you cut the wire too long, here will be hard to wrap. So here's about 2 inch to wrap the band is enough. If you cut like 6 inch, it will be too much long, and it will make the ring out of shape easily. So here your finger must be attached to the beads part here. Then when you wrap, you remember my tip, not let the wire top go slowly inside the hole. You need to fold it here, fold, and bend the wire inside. Okay, this way here, bend the wire here, this way here, wrapper this way. Here, cut and tight. Okay, and another side here, fold. You will find the two finger always attach here. I never going to attach the band here. I always just position here, then wrapper here. 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 Cut. So it's tight like here, and this way is a size 9 here. This way can finish. So another ring finish. Yeah, both the two ring is the very simple design. New starter especially can be tried to design. It will be, you can make it in different color, different size of the beads, and different shape of the beads to try the design. And don't worry about the shape easy out of shape. It's good to wear for daily. Yeah. Okay, so the ring we just finished. Copper wire, if anyone interested, you can go to here.